this has been a long video coming. We're back on the yak. It's been a long time since I posted anything because every time I brought out my GoPro, I never caught a fish. And when I didn't bring the GoPro, I caught fish. So hopefully we catch something today. We're testing out the trolling motor on the yak. Everything got registered, so kind of having some fun, but I'm just gonna let this roll, and we're just gonna kind of slowly meander down and see if we can catch some fish. Probably only be about a 2-hour float total, so enjoy. Well, we got one. Hope that was recording. It is. Hey, buddy. Oh. Right on the... Barely hooked him. Barely hooked him. That was like... pretty impressive that I even got him, to be honest. But we didn't get skunked. Which is huge. We didn't get skunked, guys. Broke the GoPro losing streak. Thought I had one. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry I had to cut that one short, but I just was too lazy to change the battery that day. And ended up catching about 5 good fish. 18 inches on the largest fish, all on the streamer. Caught them on this saltwater streamer that was like brown with a little tinsel running through it. Don't know the name of it, but had it. It was like rusty so long ago, and it's all I had. I ended up going to my local outfitter just after that float to re-up on all my streamers, because I don't tie a whole lot of streamers. I'm in transition from Euro dork to streamer junkie. It's a whole new world. Anyways, puppy's been keeping a lot of my time. That's Nella. And she is 4 months. And it's been one of those things where I just haven't been able to fish as much as I wanted to. But looking forward to it now that I got the trolling motor. I can go in and make a 4-hour day cover a lot of ground in a little bit of time now that I have the trolling motor and the yak kind of rigged up. So a couple trips coming up here for my birthday and in July. And then I am looking to maybe squeeze in a short trip to the West Coast somewhere. But I think the rest of 2021 in the fall and the winter, along with 2022, is going to be very fly fishing heavy, and I'm really excited about that. So stay tuned. Gear reviews on the way, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.